In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set mirror margins in your Microsoft Word documents. If you're creating a document that will be printed on both sides of a page, especially a book, booklet, or other bound document, mirror margins can help you set up the pages correctly. This setting changes the inside and outside margins so they work properly when the pages are placed side by side. First, open Microsoft Word and open the document where you want to set the mirror margins. Once your document is open, go to the Layout tab at the top of Microsoft Word. Next, look for the Margins option in the Page Setup section and click on it. A menu will appear with several margin options. From this menu, select Custom Margins. The Page Setup window will now open. Here, you will see settings for the top, bottom, left, and right margins. Look for the Multiple Pages option. Click the drop-down menu next to it and select Mirror Margins. Once you select Mirror Margins, the left and right margin settings will change to Inside and Outside. The inside margin is the space located toward the binding side of the page, while the outside margin is the space located toward the outer edge of the page. You can now adjust the inside and outside measurements according to the layout you need. You can also adjust the top and bottom margins if necessary. After setting the measurements, look at the preview in the Page Setup window. This helps you see how the pages will be positioned when the document is printed. Once you're satisfied with the settings, click OK. Microsoft Word will now apply mirror margins to your document. When you move between pages, the inside and outside margins will alternate so that the wider or adjusted margin stays on the appropriate side of each page. This is particularly useful for documents that will be printed on both sides and bound together. Instead of using the same left and right margins on every page, mirror margins make the layout work correctly for facing pages. If you want to change or adjust the settings later, simply return to the Layout tab, open Margins, select Custom Margins, and make the necessary changes in the Page Setup window. You can also use the Preview area to check the page layout before applying the settings. Once everything looks correct, save your Microsoft Word document to keep the changes. And that's how you can set, change, adjust, and view mirror margins in Microsoft Word using the Page Setup options. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel,